Friends, hi, how are you? I want to show you how these collapsible magnetic trays help you when you're working. This is a magnetic tray. As you can see, the small parts won't come off, and you can put it wherever you need to, depending on what you are working on. As you can see, the screws stay here, and let me take my small bit here. And if you're working, if you're doing a project where you have to be under a roof or where it's difficult to have a tray, these magnetic ones are great. As you see, you can put them wherever you want, and then you get your project going. Great. These trays come in a set of two, a red one, a blue one. They are, as I told you, collapsible, and you can have small parts, accessories, screws, wherever you are working. Great.